Long ago, the study of the human body began with a Greek doctor named Herophilus of Alexandria, who lived in the 3rd century BC and carefully dissected human bodies to understand how the brain, eyes, and nerves worked, which is why he is remembered as the father of anatomy. Many centuries later, in the 16th century, a Flemish anatomist named Andreas Vesalius carried this work forward by performing public dissections and correcting old mistakes, helping medicine move closer to modern science. By the early 1800s, dissection had become necessary to train doctors and surgeons, but the law allowed only the bodies of executed criminals to be used, and as executions became rare, medical schools faced a serious shortage. To continue teaching, they secretly relied on grave robbers who dug up newly buried bodies at night, which filled families with fear and forced them to hire watchmen and even place iron cages over coffins. When distributed bodies were found looking strange because of natural changes after death, people lacking scientific knowledge believed dark forces were involved, and old European vampire stories along with newspaper reports increased public panic. Because the anatomist worked quietly and in secrecy, trust between doctors and the public grew weaker. This fear turned into outrage after the crime of Burke and Hare, who murdered people to sell their bodies for dissection, shocking society. Public anger finally pushed the government to act, leading to the Anatomy Act of 1832, which allowed unclaimed bodies to be used legally and brought order, safety, and trust back to the medical science.